Hi guys, welcome to Audrey's reading area.
Your t-shirt
Thursdays, you guys. Yeah, so you know I have another fun and exciting book that I'll be reading to you guys. Yes. Please, first, just click like, then click share. So everyone in your pages and my pages can enjoy me reading fun and exciting books like this one. Do not lick this book. Do not lick this book. That's the name of the book that I'll be reading for you today. Do not lick this book. It is a scholastic book. Scholastic. It's written by Idan, Ben-Barak, and Julian Frost. It says, do not lick this book. It's full of germs. Do not lick this book. It's full of germs. Interesting, right? It says, Min is a microbe. She's so small, very small. Look at the writing. Min is a microbe. She's small, very small. In fact, so small that you need to look through a microscope to see her. Or you can simply open this book and take Min on an adventure to amazing places she's never seen before, like the icy glaciers of your tooth, or the twisted, tangled jungle of your shirt. The perfect book for anyone who wants to take a closer look at the world. So now I know you're going to, when I'm done reading this book, you're going to click that link and then you're going to go, it's going to take you to YouTube and you're going to smash that subscribe button for me. Smash it real good. Go ahead and punch that notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload another video. Yes. Do not lick this book. It's full of germs. That's what it says. Okay, let's see what else this book says. So it says Scanning Electron Microscope Images by Linnea Rundgren. Okay. Okay. Do not lick this book. It's full of germs. This is Min. Min is a microbe. She's small, very small. Can you see this dot? Can you see that dot? Microbes are so small that 3,422,167 of them could fit on it, on this dot. Imagine. Microbes live everywhere. They live everywhere. In the air, on your sock, in your intestines, on trumpets, at the bottom of the sea, Antarctica, underground, on elephant knees, on top of Mount Everest, inside this fish, up Santa's nose, in your breakfast, and just over there. Let's turn and see where. Min lives in this book. And if you could look really, 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 really closely, you'd see her. Can you see her? Bam! There she goes. I'm bored. She's saying she's bored. This is a photo of paper, really, really close up. So this is what paper looks like when you write on it. You write on paper, right? This is what it looks like under a microscope. Paper. Imagine that. And this is her. She's saying she's bored. Let's take Min on an adventure. See the circle on the next page? That's where Min lives. Touch the circle with your finger to pick her up. Min is now on your finger. She says, away we go. Upside down. Away we go. Where shall we take Min first? Take me to your teeth, she says. Take me to your teeth. All right, okay, let's go. Open your mouth and carefully touch your front teeth with your finger. Now let's look really, really closely. Really, really closely. This is a photo of a tooth. Really, really close up. Look at that. This is what your tooth looks like. Really, really closely. Wow, that's amazing to me. It says, whoa, this place is weird. I'm Min. What are you guys up to? That's what Min's saying to talk to the rest of them. Can I get some acid over here? That's what this one said. I'm Ray. We're digging cavities. Uh-oh. We're digging cavities. Want to help? Yuck, can you smell toothpaste? Hey kid, brush your teeth less and eat more candy. What a strange place teeth are when you look really, really closely. No wonder it's a good idea to brush them. Brush your teeth. It's time for Min's next adventure. Touch your teeth to pick up Min. She's on my finger. Min's on my finger. Looks like you've picked up Ray as well. Where shall we go next? Would you like to visit a shirt, Ray? Shirt. Min and Ray. All right, let's explore your shirt. This is a shirt. Put your finger on your shirt to send Min and Ray on a new adventure. Now let's look really, really closely. Uh-oh. This is a photo of fabric, really, really close up. Doesn't it look kind of like grass? But it's fabric from the shirts that we wear. I'm Min and this is Ray. We're on an adventure. Nice to meet you. My name's Dennis. Like my brother. We're making this shirt smell gross. I found a clean patch. He says it's gross. Found a clean patch. Can you give me a hand spreading this dirt around? What's a hand? I'm reading all the little comments from the little microbes. I hope we don't get put in the wash for a few more days. They're funny. What a strange place shirts are when you look really, really closely. No wonder they need washing. Now it's time for Min and Ray's next adventure. Touch your shirt and pick them up. Dennis has come along for the ride. It figures my brother Dennis would come too, right? We have time for one more trip. Where shall we go? Shall we visit a belly button, Dennis? What's a belly button? Sorry, y'all, I'm not showing you my belly button. That's not going to happen. Okay, off we go. Put your finger in your belly button and wiggle it about. Wiggle it about. Now let's look really, really closely. That's a belly button. Let's see what it looks like inside a belly button. Look at that. Whoa. This is a photo of skin really, really close up. This is skin. Interesting. So now I'm going to read all the little comments of the microbes. This says, hello, we're Min, Ray, and Dennis. This shirt is weird. I'm Ray. I'm Jake. Welcome. We don't get many visitors. I do enjoy a nice drink of sweat on a hot day. That's what this one is saying. Help yourselves to a delicious chunk of dead skin. Dead skin, you guys. Did I tell you about the time soap got all the way up in here? I don't like scary stories. That's what the other one said. What a strange place skin is when you look really, really closely. No wonder it gets itchy. Put your finger back in your belly button to pick up Min and her friends. That was fun. Now I'd like to go back to my book, please. Can we come? What's a book? It's like, what's a book? Let's put Min and her friends back in this book. Look at them, look at them. It says, here's a good spot. There's plenty of room for everyone. Because microbes are so tiny. Where will you take Min tomorrow? Look at this. Wow. Under a microscope. The end. And then it talks about what microbes really look like. Microbes are so small that nobody knew they even existed until microscopes were invented. They come in all sorts of odd shapes, but they don't have faces, feet, or hands. And they can't really talk. Sorry, Min. They really can't talk. So Min is an E. coli. An E. coli. It says, that's me? What do you mean I don't have eyes or a mouth? E. coli live happily in your intestines, but they are very good at spreading, especially when you don't wash your hands too well. That's Miss E. coli. Ray is a streptococcus. Streptococcus. I'm all bumpy, he said. Look. Streptococcus bacteria live in lots of places, including your mouth. Eating sugar and pooping acid that can dissolve your teeth. Wow. Wow. So it dissolves acid that can dissolve your teeth. So it kind of helps, huh? Then we have Dennis. Dennis is a fungus. There's fungus among us. There's fungus among us. Get it? Get it? Get it? Okay. His real name is Aspergillus niger. You probably picked him up while playing outside. Aspergillus niger. Jake is a corynebacterium. Jake, corynebacterium. Corynebacteria live on lots of places, including your skin. They're big fans of dirt. Wow. What the people who made this book look like. There's Idan Ben-Barak. There's Julian Frost. And there's Linnea Rundgren. All right. Yes, this is another picture of a magnified, what did it look like before it? Magnified fabric. Remember, it told us it was fabric here? Fabric. Under a microscope, this is what your shirt looks like. The fabric from your shirt. Interesting. The end, you guys. Wow. Thanks for listening to me read this fun and exciting book. Do not lick this book. It's full of germs. Do not lick this book. It's full of germs. Psych. Not gonna do it. Not gonna do it. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for joining me here at Audrey's Reading Area. Don't forget to click like and click share so your family members, your little kitties, your little cousins, your little nieces and nephews, grandbabies, everybody could get to listen to me read fun and exciting books like this one. Do not lick this book. It's full of germs. And then go on over to YouTube and smash that subscribe button for me. Smash it. And go ahead and punch that notification bell so you can be notified every time I upload a new video to Audrey's reading area. Now, we got a lot of people on here. I thank you. Thank you once again, Mom. Thank you for always being here and supporting me and listening to me read these books to my kiddos. Everybody listening, they're my kiddos, all of y'all. All right. Fun and exciting books. I got to say, hey, Emlyn. My niece Emlyn is sitting here watching. Emlyn, love you, baby girl. My niece Emlyn, so much love to her. And I see, let me see who else is here. Susie, hey, shout out. Thank you for being here. Who else? I saw somebody else. It's not showing me who it is. I'm sorry. Leo Carlos, thank you for being here. And I know I saw somebody else, but Kimberla. This thing is crazy. It's not letting me. David King and Kimberla. Thank you, guys. Thank you, Kimberla. My high school friend. Thank you so much for being here and listening to me read fun and exciting books like this. Do not lick this book because it's full of germs. Don't lick anything because they're full of germs. Y'all know about germs by now. Anyway, thank you so much for being here. Nico, my nephew, Nikolai. Man, I love you guys and I miss you guys. Thank you so much for being here and listening to me read fun and exciting books like this. Do not lick this book because, why? That's right. It's full of germs. Don't lick this book. All right, you guys. Thank you. I have so much fun reading these books to you guys. I will see you again tomorrow, right? Live. Do it with me. Live. Live at 5 tomorrow. I said Live. Live at 5. Live at 5. Watch this. Alexa, what time is Audrey's reading area?
Audrey reads in her area at 5 o'clock p.m.
You got it. Yeah, you got it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow live at 5 tomorrow. See you soon. Don't forget Audrey's reading area.